Clear.
Clear.
Metropolitan traffic, helicopter 3 to Alpha Sierra, taking off from 16 for right coast traffic. Metropolitan traffic.
Go over and do a hit check, so let's get ready for
Yep,
that.
you got it.
Coming up. I'll slide left for the pad check.
Got it.
Slide left.
Pad check clear.
Okay, tail's coming to the right, nose left. I'll give you a temp here in a minute once I get set down.
Yeah, let me pull this up.
Coming up.
Metropolitan traffic, helicopter 2 up here, short final 16, Metropolitan.
Short final on 16.
Short final 16. I got him in sight. Right over
Fixed
there.
or a helicopter?
It looks like a helicopter. Just over the tower.
Got it. Cloudberry traffic, Firecopter 3 is lifted from the southwest side. I got that short final traffic in sight. Gonna cross the departure into 16 over to the east.
I'll start working on transition.
Okay.
Cool. Find the seat back.
Roger.
Thank you, Christian.
Yep.
Alright, I'm tethered to harness, anchored aircraft, double check.
Confirmed,
Yep. Alright, right shoulder.
Got it.
Left shoulder.
Got it.
Left waist.
Got it. You're clear to transition at your leisure.
Alright, Christian. Good for me to come back?
Yep, I'm ready for you.
Okay. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna be off comms for a second, Doug.
Roger.
You Christian?
Yep.
In traffic, we're 3013, 3 miles to the north.
Doug.
Roger. I'm up on one.
Front 4. Alright, you let me know when we're at door speed. Oh, we got the river right here.
Yep.
That'd be good.
Yep, I'm just looking for a decent spot. And there's your door speed.
Alright, right door's coming open.
Roger.
And I'm gonna go ahead and pin it.
Okay.
Alright, right door's pinned. Double check. Confirm.
Okay. Crossing right there on the river.
Got it.
No factor. So we got that trail along the right side here. We can set them in
Yeah.
one of those spots. How's
Yeah,
that
yeah.
sound? Like down here to the right, see that little rock outcropping?
Yep.
Now.
Got it.
Right on the trail, let's use that. What do you think?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm good with that.
All right.
We'll start going through our hoist checklist.
Sounds good.
Alright, hi Recon. We noticed a wire going across the bridge across the river from the old bridge. I don't think that's going to be a factor for us.
Sure.
Otherwise, we just have rising terrain on both the left and right sides. No power lines in the area that I can see. Doug, do you concur?
I concur.
Power check.
We should be pulling right around 74%.
Okay. Wind dynamics.
Looks like it's relatively, it's saying 13 knots out of the south, which aligns with our positioning, so that should work fine for us.
Okay, and I take it this is going to be your final?
Final, yeah, that would be my final right here.
Alright, so this is our entry and exit routes. We do have some fly-out capability to the south there.
Yep.
Forced landing areas.
Basically down in the river bottom.
Okay. The hoisting plan is going to be inserting a single rescuer with gear. Any anticipated emergencies are going to be any changes in wind condition. We do have the potential for some snack hazards along the riverbank, but otherwise vegetation seems fairly short, and Chris can mitigate that if need be. Any swings or spins, let's be mitigated by up and out. Do you concur, Doug?
I concur.
Christian? Cable cut switch, I have mine open. I have my cut switch identified.
I've got mine.
You have yours identified. The command is going to be cut, cut, cut. In the event of an emergency, we're all going to go for the switch. We're at a go, no-go decision point for rehearsal.
I'm going to go for rehearsal.
Two in the back, can I get hoist power on?
Hoist power's on.
And confirmed at the pendant.
Roger. And I'm rolling final.
All right, let me know when I'm ready for the skid.
You are cleared for the skid.
Moving to the skid, self-preservation check.
I'll make a right 360.
Okay, I'm on your skid.
Okay. Alright, RPM's 100%, instrument oil lights check good, heaters off, harnesses, crew pack secure, we're all set. Right base to final.
And you're clear.
And you have the con.
I have the con ready to hoist. Or rehearsal only, excuse me. Sorry about that. Christian's in the door. Rehearsal only. Alright. We'll call this forward 40. This is a good line, Doug.
Copy.
Good speed. I'm going to put him in just before that tree there, the green one.
Got it.
Forward and easy right 30. No more right. Forward only 20. Good line, good speed. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold.
Holding.
How's your power controllability?
Good power, about 70.
And how's your references?
Good references.
All right, you're clear up and away.
Up and away. Copy. I'm ready for base when you are.
And you clear base final, Doug.
Coming right base to final. Alright, it's about our 3 o'clock for about 200 yards. You have the con cleared to hoist.
I have the car ready to hoist. Alright, I got the target area in sight. Good line, good speed. Call this forward 40, good line, good speed. Give me an easy right. Christian's coming off, tether. And Christian's going out. Good line, good speed. Forward 30. Good line, Doug. Main and tail are going to be clear with rising train on the right. Forward 20. Give me an easy right. Hold your right. Forward only. 10. On 5. 4. 3. On 3. 2. 1. Hold.
Holding.
Christian, on the deck in 3. 2. 1. Christian's on the deck. Bear hook signal. Hook's coming in. You're clear up on the cockpit.
Easy up.
And you clear up and easy forward.
Easy forward.
Hook
Right.
starting nicely.
Look at that. 80 feet on the
Roll me. 20. 10. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. And hold. Hook will be in the rescuer's hands in 3. 2. 1. Hook is in the rescuer's hands. Prepare to take the load in 3. 2. 1. You have the load.
good power. Continue.
Continuing. Alright, a little bit of a swing there. Christian, sorry about that. You're good. Rescuer's coming in. Riding nicely. You're clear for up only.
Up only.
Rescuer's riding nicely, 70 feet out. You're clear for up and easy forward.
Easy forward.
A little bit of a swing, mitigating, no factor. Continuing. 20 feet out. Approaching the skid. Christian is at the skid. Christian's in tether.
Copy.
Moving rescuer. And he's inside the cabin, you're clear to maneuver.
Okay, clear to maneuver.
Alright, Doug, are you ready for me to start the transition?
You are clear to transition.
Alright. In my head.
Thank you.
Coming into your right door.
Okay.
Right side's all clear.
Pretty good to me.
Looks good on the right.
All right. We'll call that good then.
Cool.